Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're learning with fun and enjoying. But don't forget to subscribe me. Okay, let's come on today's lesson, that is letter U. But do you know what is sound of U? Oh, I know. U sounds A. Say with me, A. Good job, A. But do you know U is a last letter? Why? Because it's written in two middle lines. Can write you? Oh no. Don't worry, I'm here. I will teach you. It's so easy. First draw one straight line, then a curve, and one more straight line. Simple. Good job you have done. Oh, now story time. Up go umbrella. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. When it start raining, yahoo! It's so much fun today. What's to learn next? Animal from letter U. Urchin. Sea urchin. Beautiful. A unicorn. A oriole. Big horns. A umbrella bird. So cute. What to learn next? Some words from letter U. A Uranus, a planet. Move. A UFO, it's in the space. A U-turn, take the U-turn while driving. A umpire, it's out. A uncle, my uncle is here. A uniform, I have a school uniform. A utensils, lots of in the kitchen. Oh, now it's your turn. Tell me some new words from letter O. Things you can do. Great job. A unique. I am a unique boy. Friends, thanks for watching my video. I hope you learn a lot and have so much fun. But wait. Let's subscribe me. Like, share, comment. See you later, friends. Bye-bye.